Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add some cleaning solution to your Dreame X50 Ultra. If you're interested in this product or you want to pick up some cleaning solution, the links will be in the video description. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First thing we have to do is remove the front cover. So it just pulls right out of the way, just like that, up and out of the way, revealing our solution tank right here. So the solution tank tucked right in there, just pull it out and pop open this lid, and that's it. Now you can pour in your new cleaning solution, seal it up, and slide it right back in. Then take the cover. You got 3 tabs. Those will snap in first, and then the bottom just clicks right in. There you go. Simple and straightforward to add cleaning solution to your Dreame X50 Ultra.